Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create a refresh button in Power BI. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to refresh your Power BI reports right in front of your colleagues during a live meeting or presentation, and wish there was an easy way to do it instantly? Well, you're in luck. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Power BI to show you how to create a refresh button directly in your report. This button will empower you and your stakeholders to update your reports with the latest data at the click of a button. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an interactive and dynamic report that truly impresses. So, let's get started and make your Power BI reports more dynamic and user-friendly. We'll begin right from our Power BI workspace. The first step is to incorporate Power Automate into your report. If you're not yet familiar with Power Automate, it's a powerful tool from Microsoft that streamlines workflows across various applications, including Power BI. It acts like a bridge, enabling different applications to work together seamlessly. To get Power Automate into your report, check your Visualizations pane for the Power Automate visual. If it's not readily available, don't worry. You can easily find it in the marketplace and add it to your report canvas where it fits best. Once you've done that, you'll notice 3 dots on the Power Automate visual. This is the More Options menu. When you click on these dots, select Edit to begin crafting the workflow, or flow, that will define your refresh button's action. Now it's time to create a new flow. Click on New and choose Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect because it runs immediately, every time someone clicks the button, exactly what you need for a refresh operation. Moving on to the flow editor, click on New Step. This is a crucial stage. In the search bar, type Refresh. You'll encounter an action called Refresh a Dataset. Select this option. Essentially, this step instructs Power Automate on what to do when the button is activated. Next, you need to direct this action towards the specific dataset you wish to refresh. You'll be prompted to specify your workspace. Choose My Workspace, or whichever workspace contains your dataset. Then, in the subsequent drop-down menu, select the right dataset. Double-check to ensure you've picked the correct one. If you choose incorrectly, the button won't update the intended report, and that would defeat the purpose. Once you're sure everything is accurate, hit Save. It's always wise to save your progress periodically. In case anything unexpected occurs, you won't lose your hard work. Also, don't forget to save and apply your changes in Power BI before proceeding. This step is essential for making your new flow operational within your report. Returning to your Power BI report, you'll see the button you've configured. However, it might have a generic label that isn't very descriptive. Let's fix that. Click on the button and change its label to Refresh. This way, anyone using the report will immediately understand its purpose. Here's a final but very important step. To activate the button when viewing your published report, simply hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and then click the button. This keyboard shortcut triggers the Power Automate flow directly from within Power BI. Be patient, as the refresh might take a bit of time, especially if your dataset is large or your connection is slow. You should see a notification pop up confirming that your refresh is underway. And there you have it. With the help of Power Automate, you've successfully created an on-demand refresh button inside Power BI. Now your users can be assured they're seeing the most updated data whenever required. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or encounter any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. We're always happy to help out. For more insightful Power BI and data tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a refresh button in Power BI, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.